This is your host, Nathan Gardner, and this is Don't Be a Dumbass. Let's microwave it. Assistant, Tyler. Assistant, Jacob. And standee, Haley.
Hey, what's that mean?
You don't do anything, you stand there.
Oh.
Let's do this. Everybody back up.
Oh, God, Haley. Move it. Maybe we should have stuck a firecracker in there. Bust. Let's stick a firecracker in there. No.
No.
But it's going to blow up and then that'll light. Please. That's so cool.
Oh, when it blows up, it's not going to get on fire. It's cool, ain't it?
There's candy.
Alright.
It's like lighting up.
That's all. Kill the...
Where is it?
Yeah, no. I'll do it. Don't worry.
I'll do it.
I got it.
Oh, dude. You want me to do it.
Jacob?
You make these?
No. Jacob, watch the door. Okay, it's lighting. Here we go.
Oh, yeah, that's a fire.
That is so cool. No, just watch the door. Okay,
There's fire on the inside.
It should bust this thing.
Can't believe it's not busting. Maybe someone should dab some fire on here.
Right now it ain't fire. See you later, John. It's about...
At first it just like started firing.
Yeah, it's